Joe. Welcome back to Dig Talk, where we break it down, keep it real, and talk about the world's rawest sports and stories. And today, we're stepping inside the cage. That's right. We're talking about mixed martial arts, aka MMA. Let's dig into it. Segment 1. What is MMA 020? MMA isn't just street fighting with gloves. Nah, it's an elite, strategic, and brutal combat sport that mixes wrestling, boxing, jiu-jitsu, Muay Thai, karate, and more into one cage. You've got knees flying, fists swinging, and submissions that'll make your joints tap out before your brain even does. Add clips, images of fighters training, or UFC highlight. Segment 2, a quick history lesson at 1 o'clock. Back in the day, it was style versus style, boxer versus wrestler, karate versus judo. But it all changed when the UFC came on the scene in the 90s, and now fighters train in everything. Because if you can't strike and grapple, you're toast. Legends like Royce Gracie, Anderson Silva, John Jones, and Khabib showed the world. This ain't just a fight, it's an art form. Segment 3, why MMA is different. 145, there's no script, no timeouts, and no hiding. What makes MMA so dope? It's unpredictable. 1 second, you're dominating. Next second, you're in a chokehold seeing stars. You've got to be smart like a chess player, tough like a street fighter, and calm like a monk, all at once. Whether you're watching it or training in it, MMA hits different. Segment 4, the Athletes 230. They're some of the most well-conditioned athletes on the planet. Their training is next level: cardio, diet, mental focus, and discipline. Do you train in martial arts? Who's your favorite fighter? Old school or new school? These fighters. They're not just brawlers. And ring that bell, because we're coming back with more fire on sports, lift, and everything, raw and real. You think it's just about throwing hands? Try surviving 5 5-minute rounds with someone trying to kick your head off. Segment 5. What MMA teaches us. 310. MMA isn't just for fighters, it teaches discipline, respect, mental strengths, and survival. It's about facing fear, finding limits, and smashing through them. Segment 6. Your take. Let's talk. 4 o'clock. Smiling. So now I want to hear from you. Is MMA the realest sport out there? Encourage comments. Maybe run a poll, UFC or boxing. That's it for today. Dig. If you learned something or just felt the hype, hit that like button. Smash subscribe. Outro music fades in with subscribe, animation, and your channel logo.